The Youth Apprentice program enables us to help take care of patients, but also mentor people into the careers they want in the future.
I think I want to be a mental health nurse.
Their goal is to be a nurse one day, to go be a doctor one day. They get that base here, but they all have to have that compassion to want to help other people.
I'm getting paid while earning an education, and once I start the nursing program at Trident, I will start with no debt. It's great to earn while I learn.
So someone who would excel in this program would be someone who wants to take care of other people. And we want someone who has passion for healing, passion for other teammates. It's a hard job.
A typical day at work consists of, we have 3 sets of vitals every 3 hours, so for the most part I'm doing that, and then in between I'm cleaning patients up, getting blood sugar, helping patients go to the bathroom, anything they need, basically just helping the nurses out.
Teammates really love working out the Youth Apprentice. They feel like part of the family immediately, like a younger sister or younger brother.
I really like the people I work with. They are all very helpful in assisting me and helping me learn, and it's nice talking to them and hearing their stories and how they got to where they are and giving me advice that I need.
The greatest part of it is watching their growth throughout the program, becoming a patient care tech and even a nurse.
I work in a very good community. I'm on a very good floor with very good nurses, very good techs.
It is an apprentice program where they're learning, but they also really do help in day-to-day as a teammate.
I found out about this job and apprenticeship program through a counselor at my school who encouraged me to go to Trident for nursing.
We have an interest fair for high school students that we do every early spring, and then in the summer the students that are interested, they come and they interview, sort of like a big career interview fair, and we interview all the youth apprentices. And then Roper St. Francis usually picks 10 to 15 youth apprentices to become part of that program after that. I got to meet Meaghan this summer during interviews. Her goal is to give back to the community. And that's what we're all about at Roper St. Francis. I know that's what the Youth Apprentice program is, but she's there to help other people. And through her interview process, I got to meet her and got to learn a lot about her, and I'm so proud of what she's done so far with us.
The most rewarding part of this job is definitely being able to help people who feel like they have no one.
I don't think there's any ceiling for the students. I think it's for up to each student what they want to put into it.
I see my future now very bright and going very far in life, and I feel like no dream now is too big.